Hello! Today we are going to Skansen in central Stockholm. Join me! Located on the island Djurgården in central Stockholm, Skansen was founded in 1891 by Arthur Hazelius and is widely recognized as the world's oldest open-air museum and zoo. Skansen attracts more than 1.3 million visitors each year from Sweden as well as all over the world. It's very beautiful here. Skål. Hot. Vad var detta?
Högdräcke. Det är den salta varianten. Så finns ju också med persilja och ramsmör och franska örter.
Tack så mycket.
Tack så mycket.
See nice? You don't say?
Symbol.
Well, that's obviously very pagan. While we are at Skansen, we might just as well check out the animals. It's a zoo, after all. As soon as I went outside the market, I feels like I'm in some kind of pagan horror film. The Wicker Man, perhaps. Is it a moose or an elk? What's the difference, really? Well, they're known as king of the forest, after all. They're sleeping. Since the bears are sleeping, we might just as well go back to the market. Or, yeah, we can check out some more animals. Angry owl. Owl and a wolverine family playing. A family of bison bulls. Very nice. We've seen some animals here. The lynx. A bit shy. They didn't really want to perform. Yeah, and just like that, we're back at the folk horror film. Now, there we have the creepy old mansion for sure. Ooh, that's haunted. Finally, back at the less haunted and scary places. Wow, look at this. Now we are in a completely different era. Not so much of a folklore horror film anymore. This is the tinsmith. We don't see them that much these days, so let's check it out.
Ja, jag tror att alla håller på med sina yrken professionellt liksom, så att det är svårt att hålla igång.
This is an old pharmacy. Considering this was back in the day, I really hope they knew what they were doing. Well, that was the pottery. A lot of people in there. Skansen is a great place if you want to check out the Nordic animals, as well as building a lifestyle of old times of, well, not only Sweden, but Scandinavia in general. And just like that, we are back at the market. As with many markets, of course, you can find a lot of food, but also handiworks and candy. Lots of candy.
Älgsten som är jättesaftig.
Hur länge?
Jag tar slut på 2 dagar.
Well, there's a lot to see here, of course, and you can spend a whole day at Skansen if you want to check out the animals as well. This was a very nice time at Skansen. Thanks so much for watching. See you again in the next one. Bye-bye.